Breakups are some of the most emotionally intense experiences we face. Whether it was a long-term relationship or a brief but passionate romance, the aftermath often leaves people searching for clarity, closure, and sometimes a way back. If you're reading this, you're probably wondering, can I get my ex back? The answer is maybe, and it depends on a variety of emotional, behavioral, and situational factors. This guide explores not just how to win back your ex, but how to grow into someone who deserves a stronger, healthier relationship, whether with them or someone new. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about maturity, self-reflection, and actionable strategies based on psychology and real-world dynamics. Breakups are rarely about just one event. More often, they stem from a buildup of unresolved issues. Common causes include poor communication, loss of emotional connection, unmet expectations, infidelity, or life circumstances like moving away or growing apart. To truly have a chance at reconciliation, you must understand what went wrong on both sides. Ask yourself whether it was a communication breakdown, if there were trust issues involved, whether emotional or physical intimacy faded, and whether you both were on the same page in life goals. Without clarity, you're doomed to repeat the same patterns. Avoid blaming your ex or playing the victim. Even if you feel wronged, relationships are co-created. Recognize your role honestly. Did you neglect them emotionally? Were you overly controlling or distant? Did you fail to express appreciation or affection? Taking responsibility isn't self-blame, it's emotional maturity. Before trying to fix things, ask yourself whether you should. If the relationship was abusive, manipulative, or toxic, reconciliation may not be wise or safe. Signs it wasn't healthy include constant anxiety or walking on eggshells, jealousy and control, repeated cheating or gaslighting, and physical or emotional abuse. Getting your ex back is only worth it if the relationship can be rebuilt on mutual respect and emotional safety. No contact is the most misunderstood yet powerful phase. It means zero communication for 3 to 6 weeks. That includes no texts, calls, emails, no checking their social media, no liking or watching their stories, and no accidental run-ins. The benefits of this are many. It gives both parties emotional space, helps break the dependency loop, allows you to regain control and clarity, and gives your ex time to miss you. Use this time to become a better version of yourself. Heal emotionally through journaling, talking to a therapist, or practicing meditation. Improve physically by exercising, eating well, and getting proper sleep. Pursue growth by learning a new skill, reviving a hobby, or advancing in your career. Socialize with friends and meet new people without trying to make your ex jealous. The goal isn't just to wait. It's to become someone who inspires reconnection. If your ex contacts you during this period, respond politely but keep the tone light. Don't confess love or desperation. Instead, show maturity and curiosity, and gently steer the conversation away from heavy emotions unless they bring them up first. A simple message like, "Hey, it's good to hear from you. I've been focusing on myself lately. How have you been?" is appropriate. After 3 to 6 weeks, if they haven't contacted you, it's okay to make the first move. Keep it casual and non-threatening. You might say, "Hey, I saw something they love and thought of you. Hope you're doing great," or just wanted to say hi. "I hope things are going well for you." Don't bring up the relationship yet. Your goal is to open a light, friendly dialogue. Attraction is created when you radiate confidence and purpose, when you're not emotionally needy, and when you make them feel understood, respected, and valued. Show you've changed by being different, not just saying it. If the conversation flows, slowly rebuild trust by sharing laughs and positive memories, asking about their passions, work, and family, listening more than you talk, and avoiding discussion about the breakup for now. If they respond warmly, suggest meeting for coffee or a walk with no pressure. If the time feels right, offer a sincere, non-pushy apology. Focus on your own growth. You could say, "I've taken a lot of time to think. I realize how I contributed to the issues between us. I'm working on being more emotionally available and a better communicator." This shows accountability, not manipulation. Don't jump back into a relationship overnight. Focus on being friends first with new boundaries. This phase should feel emotionally safe and open. Talk openly about what needs to change. Key topics include communication styles, conflict resolution, physical and emotional intimacy, and shared goals and life plans. Commit to breaking toxic cycles. Once the emotional connection is steady, reintroduce flirtation and romance through compliments, shared experiences, and physical affection with consent and pacing. Let it feel new and exciting, not forced or nostalgic. Friends or family may disapprove. Stay grounded in your growth and the authenticity of your reconnection. Time will show them this isn't a rebound, but a rebirth. Boundaries make love last. Discuss how to handle disagreements, time apart versus time together, social media habits, and personal space and independence. Not all exes are meant to return. If they've moved on and are emotionally unavailable, if communication feels forced, if you're more attached to the idea than the person, or if reconnection is one-sided, it may be time to let go. Letting go isn't failure. It's a step toward emotional freedom. Even failed attempts teach you something. How you handle conflict, what your emotional needs are, and what kind of partner you want and deserve. The end of a chapter doesn't mean the end of your story. Sometimes getting your ex back is just the beginning of rediscovering yourself. As you grow, you may realize they weren't your best match. Let that insight guide you to better, more aligned relationships. Getting your ex back isn't about begging or tactics. It's about transforming your mindset, understanding your past, and becoming someone capable of sustaining a healthy, meaningful relationship. Whether reconciliation happens or not, the real goal is growth. And when you focus on that, you either reconnect from a place of strength or walk away with peace. Either way, you win.